So what's up guys, this is why the stock market crashed and has been selling off. Not the entire stock market, but all the big tech companies, most of the top earners that people own. So the main reason for this sell-off in like the S&P, Nvidia and the tech companies is because Wall Street needs to raise 350 billion for the SpaceX IPO. This doesn't mean the stock itself. They're trying to invest in everything that is obviously coming out with SpaceX, like the artificial intelligence. You got like Starlink, like all the AI cares and stuff like that. They're trying to raise money so they can invest into this, the actual assets and not just the shares. And this is what is causing the big sell-off in the market right now. If you notice that the big tech companies are down a lot, most of these 72% of these companies are in the S&P, and what is driving the S&P because of AI and obviously all the AI investing that's going on, which then causes a panic in the market, and then you obviously get like institutions and hedge funds taking profit. So this just causes a massive sell-off. There's nothing really to panic about. I mean, if you bought in at the top, then this is where you get burnt because you're buying in the hype. You're not buying when everything's quiet. So what that means is soon when we reach a bottom, or when you start noticing that the selling off is cooling down, that is when is the best time to buy, because you're in a low position, and then you can ride it out for the foreseeable future. So that is literally why the stock market's selling off. Unfair, I know. And obviously if you're holding shares and you're new to this, you're going to panic because you don't really know what's going on. But this is why I highly advise people to research stocks and invest in and trade in and everything before you go ahead and put money in, because things like this can happen. I only recently just started investing in stocks. I've been trading for about 2 years, and I knew something was going to happen, but I didn't expect it to happen like this. Yeah, so like I said, just panic selling. Wall Street needs 350 billion, so they're selling all their shares in the tech companies and stuff like that. And obviously you got these tech companies then trying to print more shares, which is causing a sell-off to then invest into SpaceX IPO, which is obviously all the stuff that is coming out in real time, because there's a lot of hype around SpaceX now. Obviously with like Elon Musk wants to build everything in space. He's like one of the biggest companies in the world, so all these tech companies now want to jump on board so they can be a part of it and obviously potentially profit big from it. So just don't worry, take a chill back now, do your research and just wait for the next right time now to buy in. Like gold, it crossed the 200 moving day average today for the first time since like 2023. So gold is going to see some big selling off. That's another. See, people now will panic. For the people who bought in at all-time highs, yeah, I fully understand. For the people who are looking to invest and are new to investing and wanting to buy or trade, this is probably one of the best times for you now, is to start doing your research, to look into what you want to buy, and wait now and research to when to find the right time is to buy and invest. This is what I'm doing now. I won't be buying any more stocks right now. I won't be buying any more gold. I won't be taking any trades. I'll just be accumulating money and sitting and waiting for the right opportunity now to buy and hold potentially for long term. So that's all I got to say about the stock market. I hope it made sense. I hope it helped some of you, and I will keep you updated. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.